Hi, I want to show you how to change font text size on Google Pixel 9a. So open up your settings first and here scroll down to find display section. Now I want you to select option display size and text, and here you can adjust font size as well as display size. So to make font size smaller, you need to drag this dot to the left side or just tap on the minus right here on the left. This is the smallest option and you can already see changes, right? And also icons got a little bit smaller as well. Now to make font size bigger, just tap on the plus like this. And this is the result. So the text got bigger. Additionally, you can adjust display size with font size to fit everything in your display settings. And yeah, if you want to make your text more visible, you can also turn on bold text by toggle on the switch, and you can enable high contrast text. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.